Terrell Owens takes an Uber leaving his pickleball tournament and things go left.
I'm finna have to get up. Yep.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, sir. I am in the car stuck. We're in an overpass, under an overpass. I don't know what location.
I have.
What's the? You know the address, sir?
Yeah.
The Uber driver knows the address, but I am stuck. The car is flooding, and we're stuck in the car.
Okay. May I know who I'm speaking with?
My name is Terrell. My name is Terrell Owens. I'm the passenger of this Uber car. Uber car. Yo, this is crazy. I'm stuck. You have the lights, bro. Oh,
yeah,
shit.
the correction is 3726 is
We're stuck.
10th Street, Indiana.
Oh.
201.
Now look at this car, man. We flooded. The car is flooded.
Okay, may I have your phone number so I can...
Oh shit.
My number?
Oh.
Yes.
317
Look at this. The water is in the car.
443 7001.
I am in the car and stuck.
Yes,
The water's flooding.
I am driver.
I'm about to swim out this mug in a minute.
May I know your full name?
Oh my God, this is crazy. Ah! Look at this, y'all. I am in the car stuck. I'm stuck under this overpass. The driver tried to drive through this water and we got stuck. We need some help. I'm in Indianapolis. I don't know where we are. I can't even see that street. Yo! Yee! Yo! Yo! Man, we stuck. I'm stuck in this car. This water's...
Hello?
Ah, shit, the water. Ain't no lights in this.
I bet you, bro.
The battery's on. Ah! Yo! God damn. Oh shit, the water in the car is filling up to the seats. Oh shit. This is crazy. Oh man. I don't know why he would drive through this. Yo! We need some help.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
It's crazy. I have no idea what street this is. I have no idea what street. I know I'm in India now. I can't even see that street. Yo! I'm about to swim for it in a minute. This car is filling up with water. Oh man, what street? You know what street we on?
Yeah, I told you.
What street is this?
3726 is 10th Street.
Hey, we're on 3726 East 10th Street. I got you. I'm not gonna. 3726 East 10th Street in Indianapolis.
My name is Joseph for this today.
Who are you?
My name is Joseph.
Oh, you're Uber support? Hey, so I'm a passenger in the car, the driver. We're stuck in this underpass. We're at 3726 East 10th Street. The water is it's flooding, and I'm literally in water right now. In the back seat, the car is filling up with water.
So you are currently, calling in as a rider, not a driver.
Yeah, the driver is right here. He gave me the phone. I'm talking to you. I'm the passenger. We're at 3726 East 10th Street. We're in this car under the overpass. The car is flooding. Like the water is up to the door. We're stuck. That the battery is dead. Like nothing. The car stopped. We're like literally in the middle of water.
Alright, so let me go ahead and connect you to our ride safety department then.
Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Oh man, this is crazy. Yeah, Marcus. Yeah, Marcus Nash. I'm stuck, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at the car, bro. This is the car. I'm literally my knees. My knees. I'm inside the car. The water is filling up with water. At some point, I'm about to just jump out and probably swim. Look back there, bro. We're in water. Yo! Hey, somebody call the police!
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.